Hello everyone, what's up? And of course, nandito na naman kami sa bundok. Ang dami ng mga kahoy-kahoy sa buhok ko, guys. And ayan siya, guys. Oh, i-flex ko ang mga tree. Beautiful and beautiful, sunny. And of course, andito kami, guys, sa Kalawakan at nangunguha na naman ng gulay. Ayan siya, guys. Oh. Ito siya, guys. Oh, ayan siya. Ito, oh. Gugulayin nyo siya, guys, ganyan, oh. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, yung dulo lang niya, guys. They call this as Korean spinach. And then, pag inamoy mo siya, ang bango, para lang siyang patani. So, of course, dahil madami, ang gugulayin mo is dulo lang siya, guys, oh. Ayan siya, guys, oh. Diba? So, bakit ka pa mamili? You don't need to buy vegetable in the market. Just go here and it's free. As long as you have discovery pass, guys. You need a discovery pass. Ayan siya, oh. See? That's a lot. There you go. What a bless, right? We're very blessed sa ating state, sa Washington State, dahil you don't need to worry about your vegetables, especially when during summertime. Oh, and this is my bayong, guys, na may sumasabit na mga kahoy. Tanggalin natin, guys. Hold on. Yan siya, oh, ang taba. Oh. Tapos kukunin mo yung dulo, of course. And then, ayan siya lahat. Ang shoes ko may pumapasok dahil maluwang. Pasok ang mga kahoy. Ayan siya, guys. O, nakakatuwa lang kasi ang tataba niya and they're everywhere. Para lang siyang sinadyang itinanim dahil dito siya natubo, guys. O, diba? So, there you go. They're just everywhere, guys. See? Ha? Yeah. Nagulya. Dahil, siyempre, takaragado. So, so this it's like everywhere, guys. See? So, you only need to grab the very top portion. Kasi that's what, it's soft and tender to eat. The very, very top portion, char. Oh. Tapos, just magmasid ka lang, guys. And you will see all of them, see? So, you get this one, like that. And of course, nauntog ang ulo ko sa kahoy. Narinig nyo yun, guys. Char. So, ito siya. Oh, yan, oh. Puno ng kamay ko, yan. I need to put in a basket again what I have in my hand. Kasi, puno na ang hand ko. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan siya, oh. Oh. And then, maybe I'll put this in my basket. Oh, and then, put it inside the basket. Ayan siya, oh. Then, you put that there. And then, harvest more. And it's in here, guys. See? So, it's like everywhere in here, guys. Everywhere, everywhere. See how healthy they are. Oh. Yummy. But I don't eat this, guys, kasi I'm not sure if allergy or it's just my belly don't like it. My sister loved this, so I just go with her to do this because I love being in the mountain, as you can see, guys. See? Ito pa siya lahat, guys. Ha? Oo. See? Yan. Yan siya, guys. Oh, diba? Tataba niya, guys. So, gulayin mo yung talbos niya. Ayan, as in talbos lang niya guys. Ang kukunin nyo. Kasi, ilan yung nakakain guys. Oh, diba? Yan o, ang taba niya to guys. Yan din. Oh, ganun. Tapos, ito siya. Yung taba, lusog niya. Diba? Tapos, habang nagsusuksok ka, it's just like continuous non-stop right there. Like this. Like there. There. So it's like, it's just they are everywhere guys. There. And then you need to really open your eyes wide. Kasi they're here. They're there. And there. And then you thought no more. It's still here again. And there. It's like they're everywhere guys. See? There. And where was that I saw? And then right here. It's like non-stop right there. And then here. And then up there. 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 Oh my gosh guys. It's like we call it in our dialects, turlo-turlo ka, and then you still find them like non-stop. See, that's a good one too. There. So that's a lot of guys, blackberries. Ayan siya guys. Oh. But be careful, be watchful as you harvest this vegetable, because there's a lot of spiky blackberry trees or plants. So just be careful. And then up here, so as you can see, all this stuff, remove it. And this is here. See, and oh my gosh, just everywhere guys. It's like you don't want to stop, to just keep, see. And then that, oh, especially this guys. Oh my gosh, it's so good. And after you smelling it too, it smells so good. Yeah, see, there's a lot of, maybe I can find a mushroom here too, but we'll see. Ang liblib talaga siya guys, see. This one just got my forehead, but not bad. It's just, yeah, see. So there, and here, there, look, there. Yeah. So, all right, and andito pa siya guys. Yan. Oh, so all right everyone, thank you for bearing with me and watching with me. Have a great and blessed Saturday everyone. It was just good to enjoy the blessing from the natural creator and lahat siya guys. And thank you.